Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm working as an assistant professor in RPIIT Bastara, Karnal. Today we are going to learn about Bluetooth, email, S-MIME, IMAP definitions and explanations. What is a Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a wireless communication technology that enables short range data exchange between devices using radio waves within 2.4 gigahertz. ISM in the fields where industrial, scientific, and medical bands are used. What are the range? Typically 18 meters up to 100 meters. What are the speeds that ranges from 1 Mbps to 48 Mbps? Power consumption is low power, ideally for LOT and wearable devices. How Bluetooth works? The device discovery, pairing, and authentication, data transfer. What are the examples where we use this Wi like Bluetooth? We can use in wireless headphones, speakers, smartwatches, where the file transfer between the smartphones and the laptops, connecting wireless keyboards and mice, etc. What are the basic Bluetooth versions and features? Versions where Bluetooth 2.0 and the speed is 1 Mbps, the range between 10 meters, and the key feature is the basic data transfer. Similarly, we have Bluetooth 4, Bluetooth 5, Bluetooth 5.3. What is an email? Email is the electronic mail, and it is a method where we can send the data digital through the digital messages system over a network, typically using SMTP. SMTP is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol for sending and receiving the data. How email works: the user composes an email in a mail client like mails like where we can use it in the Outlook, Gmail, Yahoo, like that. The email is sent via SMTP to the recipient's mail server. The recipient receives the email using IMAP or POP. Now, what are the common email protocols? SMTP, IMAP, POP3. So these are all the protocols where we can use it in the email. What are the examples? This is just one example where the sender email address is there, receiver email address, and what's the process like the LS, for example, emails is sent via SMTP stored on Yahoo's IMAP server, then Bob. He's a receiver which downloads it. The next one is IMAP, that is, it is an email retrieval protocol where that syncs emails across the multiple devices by storing emails on a mail server. What are the key features? Mail remains on the server, access multiple devices, and supports the folders and the organizations. How it works? The email client, where we can say that it can be Gmail or Outlook, connects to the IMAP server. Then the server syncs emails and folders across all devices. When an email is read, deleted, and moved, or you can say any changes are reflected everywhere. These are some differences. IMAP and POP3. Both are storage, like email remained on the server, emails are downloaded and deleted. Whereas in IMAP, the multi-device sync is there, in PAP, no multi-device sync is there. It says to from anywhere, only POP, only on the downloaded device. Best for webmail, multiple devices, whereas POP is the single device email use. This is some summary where in one glance we can see the summary. Like what is a Bluetooth? That is a short range wireless communication, wireless headphones, file transfer. Email is the digital messaging system, sending emails via Gmail and Outlook. S-MIME, that is secure email encryption and authentication, where the encrypting confidential emails have been done. And IMAP, that is sync email across multiple devices, check Gmail from phone and laptop. This is it for the video. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe. Thank you.